Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to cancel refund on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom access your account, and here you should see my orders section and go to view all button, and here basically you will see all your orders from AliExpress. And here you want to find the order where you requested the refund and tap on that order to open its details. There you should scroll down and tap view refund button, and if your refund request is still under review and not processed yet, you will see an option to cancel refund. So tap cancel refund button and confirm your decision in the pop-up window by tapping yes or confirm button. And the refund request will be cancelled and the order will return to its previous status. But if the refund was already approved and processed, you will not be able to cancel it, unfortunately. The refund will continue as planned. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.